Hello. Smart Narrative is an AI visual that generates textual description of major insights in your data based on one or more existing visuals on the report page. In this video, you will find out how to create a smart narrative.
I created a new Power BI report and imported two tables from an Excel file. These tables are called items and transactions, and they are connected within the data model. I added a clustered bar visualization, which displays data of sold quantities by manufacturers. I also added a simple donut visualization that shows sold quantities by sales groups. To create a smart narrative by a single visual, right-click on it and choose option Summarize. To do so, I will choose a bar chart visual. Power BI just generated text with some statistics. We can select portions of the text and change font type, size, style, color. We could also add some text. We could also insert a link to a web page. By choosing a value option, we could add new values into the descriptions. To create a new value, enter a question using natural query language, just like when using Q&A visual. For example, show me an item with max SPC. Name the value, and by clicking on Save, add it to a smart narrative. You can repeat this action as many times as you want until you get a textual description according to your needs. Let us now delete this smart narrative visual. If you want to create a smart narrative for all visuals on your page, go to Insert ribbon and choose to add a smart narrative. Now you have a smart narrative that gives insights into all visuals in the page. That's all, folks. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.